was in a car accident in the spring, in June, and I was driving down 3rd and Elgin here in Tulsa, and I had a green light, and another driver ran like a red light, an inattentive driver, and seek medical help after that, and went home, and later had injuries. They were still in pain and everything, went to the hospital. They admitted me into the hospital for about 10 days because they had found a blood clot and also 4 pulmonary embolisms in my lungs. So I had about a year and a half of treatment. While I was in the hospital, I did seek other legal counsel because the opposing car insurance company did take responsibility for it, but they wanted to settle while I was still in the hospital. So I sought another firm here in Tulsa, a larger firm that does physical injuries. And what had happened was they basically dropped the ball, didn't stay in contact with me, didn't follow up and everything. The case was 2 years, but I worked with the other attorney for approximately a year and a few months, almost 18 months. And there was no traction, no movement, anything was going on with it. And then I hired the Wirth Law Firm, and they expedited it all within about 6 months. The main reason that they settled so quickly because the demand was how it was, the demand was written, structured, and all the information was there. It was actually, the compiled information was about 5 inches thick. It took 2 FedEx mailers to get it to it. It was no doubt the evidence was there. And I don't think any other firm would be able to put all that together and get it turned around. The costs to retain the Wirth Law Firm, there's no upfront costs out of it. It was negotiated if they had won, that they would receive payment, and they did. So they received their payment at the end after everything else was settled, and that's how it went. There was no upfront costs or anything like that to secure their services.